What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the new affiliate profile page. First, navigate to marketing on the left, affiliate manager at the top, and select affiliate. Then you will see a list of all your affiliates. Click on the affiliate name and you can see this page popping up. Now, if an affiliate loses their login details, you can just create a magic link right here and send it to them. Click on login details and here it is. You just copy that link and send it to them in Messenger, wherever you're chatting with them by email, so they can log in. All right, here you can see the date when they have joined, and here you can see the affiliate stats. You can select the date here, how much money did they bring in, how many sales did they make. You can select start and end date, and in this case, it's a demo, so there's obviously no revenue. Okay, but you would see how much revenue they've generated, how much you owe them, how many leads they've brought in, and how many new customers they have generated for your business. On the right here, you can just click and add, in this case, Tina, to another campaign. I have one campaign going and you can see I'm already added to this campaign. That's why that is grayed out. But if you had multiple campaigns going, there would be a list showing right here. Then up here, you can also switch between campaigns. So here, the first tab, you can see all campaigns. That is a summary of total unpaid money. Then you see what commission is still pending, which commission has been denied, which commission has been approved. So that's the commission summary. And on the right, you have the payout summary. How much have you paid out your affiliate in total? How much is pending? How much has been approved? And what's completed so far? So this was the first step, all campaigns. If you want to switch between campaigns, you just have to go to the next window. That's campaign number 2, same scenario, and demo campaign number 3, same scenario. Scrolling further down here under commissions, you can see the active referral links, the links which are still active and are still going out into the sphere in the internet to find new clients. You can also see that in this particular campaign, there's a 2-tier system set up, which means if that particular affiliate brings in another affiliate who also promotes your products, then both people will get paid. Moving further down to the commissions tab, you can see all the commissions listed. And on the right here, you can either deny or approve those commissions. In the top right, you can also add rewards manually, which is really great because in some cases, some people purchase maybe through a different browser later on through their phone, or maybe they cleared their cache and cookies in the meantime. But you know that that customer belongs to one of your affiliates. You can then go ahead and add rewards manually. Let's do that. Let's say I'm assigning myself a commission through this campaign. And right now there's no transaction shown because this is just a demo account and there was no transaction, but you would see what kind of money came into your location. You could select the transaction and then hit submit. And this way you would have added the rewards manually. Moving over to the leads tab, you can see the name of the new lead, you can see the email address, and you can see the date created and also what campaign they came through. Moving over to the customer tab, you can see, okay, the name is Jana Miller from a new customer. That's her email. She has been created as a new customer in the system on October 13, through which campaign she came in and what revenue that particular customer has generated so far. On the payouts tab, you can see all your payments, whether they've been already paid or are still pending, if they have been approved or denied. And then lastly, under sub-affiliate, you would see if there is another affiliate under the main affiliate. So that goes back to tier 2 or tier 3, how many tiers you have, right? All of these sub-affiliates would then show up under this tab. I hope you will like these new features and it will help you to manage your commissions and payout much more efficiently. See you in the next video.